Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. This is what I learned this week. And I just want to say thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. So, because I'm communicating this to you. What I learned this week and what I always go back to is the art of communication. Communication is key to be able to get the job done. It's very arrogant for you to expect someone to just think about you or read your mind or to think the way that you think. Get off your high horse, open your mouth, open your eyes, open your ears, open up your world, and communicate and express your needs, your thoughts, and what your agenda is. Because it's nobody's responsibility to guess. And when they do guess, you're left with the results of it. So if you don't like something, say it. If you like something, say it. You have the freedom in this world to express yourself. Communication main purpose is to inform, even persuade, to express emotions, to build relationships, to coordinate activities, and to entertain. You have to use your words so that you can be able to get the job done. Use your words. When somebody asks you, what do you want to do today? What do you want to do today? Express yourself and let somebody know what you want to do today. Don't, what do you expect when you be like, I don't know, and then they take you to the dollar store? You should have said something. Express yourself. If you wanted to go to Nordstrom's or Neiman Marcus just to look at the shoes, you had every opportunity to say. If you wanted to go to Ulta to smell perfume, you have every opportunity to say it. Express yourself. It's your life. It's your world. It's everybody's life and it's everybody's world, and everybody has a right to communicate and say what they need. And in exchange of that, we, everyone has to be willing to be open to people letting us know how they feel and how they understand things and what is important to them and what is their comfort level. Communication is a two-way street. The root word is commune. And you can also understand it with community. If you don't communicate, you don't have any community. And the main purpose for so many falling outs is the fact that nobody gave the other person the opportunity to express themselves. It's essential. Communication is one of my biggest things when it comes to consultations. When I have a really good in-depth consultation, the appointment works out. When I don't take that time out and consult, it doesn't go well. Consult and communicate. Thanks.